Welcome to AH Motivational. Today, affiliate marketing is an effective and accessible way to earn money by promoting products and services you love. It involves partnering with an affiliate program such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale, where you can find a wide range of products to promote. The key to successful affiliate marketing is authenticity. Choose products you genuinely believe in and can passionately recommend. By doing so, you build trust with your audience, making them more likely to click on your unique affiliate links and make purchases, which earns you a commission. Creating engaging and valuable content around your chosen products is essential. This content can take various forms, including blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or email newsletters. For example, if you're promoting a new fitness gadget, you could create a YouTube video demonstrating its features and benefits, write a detailed blog post on how it fits into a fitness routine, or share engaging photos and tips on Instagram. The goal is to provide helpful information that persuades your audience to use your affiliate link to purchase the product. Driving traffic to your content is crucial for maximizing your affiliate marketing success. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a powerful strategy to increase your visibility and attract organic traffic. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords, creating high-quality backlinks, and ensuring a user-friendly website, you can improve your search engine rankings. Additionally, leveraging social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest can significantly expand your reach. Share your content regularly and engage with your audience to build a community and foster trust. Engagement and transparency are vital in affiliate marketing. Regularly interacting with your audience, answering their questions, and providing honest reviews can help build a loyal following. It's also important to disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience, as transparency builds trust and is legally required in many jurisdictions.